When you choose one of these special number chase dice templates or dice nets, you'll be able to make a much stronger dice. You'll also need thick paper or thin cards, scissors and sticky tape. Choose one of the 10 dice templates and print onto thin card. Cut around the outside edge. Cut along the tabs in just the 2 marked places. It's then a case of carefully making a fold along each of the solid lines. Then fold it round, firstly tucking the B tab inside, then tuck the 4 big tabs inside, and finally the A and C tabs, and secure with sticky tape. Refer to the Number Chase website for lots of game ideas. Each dice will help your child in different ways. Simply having fun with this dice with a favourite game will help your child learn number symbols. Brilliant.